The USS Gerald R. Ford is one of the most technologically advanced aircraft carriers ever built. Designed as the successor to the Nimitz class, this carrier incorporates numerous innovations, including the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, advanced radar, and a more energy-efficient operational design. However, behind all these cutting-edge advancements lies a fundamental component that has remained largely unchanged for centuries: the anchor. While an aircraft carrier's anchor may not attract as much attention as the fighter jets launching from its deck, or its advanced defense systems, it plays a crucial role. Without an anchor, the ship would be unable to safely dock in waters without port facilities. It also serves as a stabilizing tool in emergency situations, ensuring the ship remains in its desired location when navigation is compromised or in rough weather conditions. Interestingly, the anchor system on the USS Gerald R. Ford differs from those used on previous aircraft carriers. One of the most notable changes is its reduced weight. Whereas the Nimitz-class carriers used an anchor weighing 30 tons, the Gerald R. Ford class employs a 13.6-ton anchor per unit. This weight reduction is not due to a decrease in strength, but rather advancements in design and materials that allow a lighter anchor to perform just as effectively. The anchor is made from high-strength alloy steel, which offers the perfect balance of durability, corrosion resistance, and reduced weight compared to traditional steel. This alloy consists of carbon, manganese, nickel, and chromium, making it more resistant to the harsh marine environment. Thanks to modern manufacturing technology, the anchor retains its strength, despite being nearly half the weight of its predecessor. Not only has the anchor itself been improved, but its chain has also been redesigned for greater strength and longevity. Each anchor is connected to a 439-meter-long chain, with each individual link weighing approximately 61 kilograms. Like the anchor, the chain is constructed from high-strength alloy steel with an anti-corrosion coating, ensuring it can withstand immense pressure and friction from the seabed. To store the anchor and its chain, the ship features a dedicated space known as the anchor locker, located at the forward section or bow of the vessel. This compartment is reinforced with corrosion-resistant steel to prevent the harmful effects of seawater accumulation. Additionally, an efficient drainage system ensures that standing water does not accelerate the degradation of the chain and winch mechanism. The USS Gerald R. Ford's anchor deployment mechanism is significantly more advanced than those found on previous generations. When the ship needs to anchor, the deck crew ensures that the area around the anchor is clear before the operation begins. Once the command center gives the green light, one sailor uses a sledgehammer to drive out the pins holding the chain in place. A second sailor holds a strap connected to the first sailor's back, in case he somehow gets attached to the fast-moving chain. It's pretty clear that once the chain starts moving, it's difficult, if not impossible, to stop it in an emergency. When the anchor reaches the ocean floor, operators use sonar and visual monitoring systems to confirm that it has securely gripped the seabed. If necessary, adjustments can be made to optimize its hold and stabilize the ship. The captain then gives final approval before the winch system is shut down, marking the completion of the anchoring process. However, the job is far from over. When the ship is ready to move again, retrieving the anchor must be done meticulously to prevent damage to the chain or winch mechanism. The winch system slowly reels in the chain, while sensors continuously monitor the tension to ensure there is no excessive strain. One of the biggest challenges in hoisting the anchor is the accumulation of mud and sediment that adheres to it after being embedded in the seabed. To counter this, the USS Gerald R. Ford is equipped with a high-pressure water cleaning system, which sprays seawater onto the anchor and chain during retrieval. Once the anchor is fully raised, an automatic locking system secures it in place, preventing movement while the ship is underway. Even though the anchor is not used frequently, regular maintenance is essential to ensure its reliability when needed. Routine visual inspections check for cracks or early signs of corrosion on the chain. The chain is also periodically recoated with anti-corrosion material to extend its lifespan. Every few years, tensile strength tests are conducted using specialized machinery to verify that each link in the chain meets the U.S. Navy's stringent safety standards. In terms of technology and materials, the anchor and chain used on the USS Gerald R. Ford offer significant improvements over previous systems. By utilizing high-strength alloy steel, the overall weight of the ship is reduced without compromising durability and anchoring capability. This not only improves fuel efficiency, but also allows for more space to accommodate additional technology and systems. Despite the advanced anchor system of the USS Gerald R. Ford, it is not the largest anchor ever built. That record belongs to the Yara Viking, previously known as Seawise Giant, Knock Nevis, and Mont, the largest ship ever operated. The anchor of this supertanker weighed a staggering 36 tons per unit, with a chain extending over 400 meters. This massive anchor was designed to stabilize a supertanker that, when fully loaded, weighed an astonishing 657,000 tons. While the USS Gerald R. Ford does not require an anchor of such magnitude, its system remains among the most sophisticated in military maritime technology. With its lighter yet stronger design, combined with an electric and hydraulic winch system, the ship can operate its anchor more swiftly and efficiently than previous aircraft carriers. The anchor may seem like a simple component amidst the complexity of a modern aircraft carrier, but without a reliable anchoring system, even a vessel as powerful as the USS Gerald R. Ford would struggle to dock safely or remain stationary in emergency situations. The innovations implemented in its anchor system reflect the ship's broader design philosophy, enhancing efficiency, reducing weight, and increasing reliability. Ultimately, while modern aircraft carriers increasingly rely on digital systems and automation, the fundamental principle of anchoring remains irreplaceable. Even in an age dominated by artificial intelligence and autonomous technology, the anchor continues to be a vital component, ensuring stability and security for one of the most advanced warships ever built.